Going this way?
Look. See that line right there? That's where you go.
Right here?
Yeah.
Can't you just go right there?
That's what I said. Go straight.
Okay.
To your right. That's the hill you would have had to climb coming up. The one to your right here. Look. Look up the hill. Up here.
Oh, wow.
That way. That way over there up the hill. Are you to the old road very good? Yeah, that's it. Just keep on walking straight in front of you. Yeah. It is.
There's feathers. Oh, what was that? A tree? Wow.
Yeah. I just got caught on something.
All right, Mom, get right there. I'm going to take a picture of you.
Oh, gosh.
Through that spider web.
In 1941 through 1971 and beyond, the rolling hills of the old homestead felt like the entire world to the children who lived there. Every morning began with the rhythmic clatter of a wooden stove as their mother stoked the fire with wood gathered from the edge of the woods, filling the house with the scent of pine smoke and the promise of a warm meal.
Better going
The
down
heart of
than
their
up.
daily life, however, lay at the bottom of the hill. The children would race down the grassy slopes toward the clear, overflowing spring, a hidden gem where the water bubbled up cold and constant from the earth. To them, it wasn't a chore, it was an adventure. They would fill heavy pails with the sweet, crisp water for drinking and watch as their mother knelt by the stream to wash clothes, the soap suds dancing away in the current. Today, as you walk the same land, the hills still roll toward that quiet hollow. Though the stove has long gone cold and the laughter of 1971 has faded into memory, the spring remains, still clear, still overflowing, and still holding the stories of a family who found everything they needed in the earth beneath their feet.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Got stuff.
There you go. Grab it now, Mom. Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Look at it. If you'd have kept walking straight, you'd run into a road.
You can let go.
You might have.
Ah!
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Just let it go. Just let it go. Thank you.
Are we going the right way?
That's there, Tyler. Yeah. This is the end of the road. It goes back down the hill there.
Okay.
You have to go down and up or just down? Which
I
way?
guess down through those little things. Yeah, that way. Yeah.
Hey, y'all going the wrong way.
Where are we supposed to be going?
Trees. I ain't going over the trees. That's what Mom wanted to do is faster. No, it ain't.
Over what trees?
Those trees and that.
Oh, well, we can go this way, Mom. Back up
That's
this.
down to where we came in on the ditch. That's right there where we came in, where the water is standing.
Yeah.
It's right up the hill from the cars. Look, Connie's going back up these trees. She's going to go over that. Yeah, you go down that way, Mom. It's right there. It's easy.
Give us a like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you'll get notified when we come out with more content.
Yeah.
Oldfit County Courthouse. Pretty cool.